This video is about the Gen 5 airbox install, and this happens to be a 2015. So here is the old airbox. It's very, very restricted. Comes out quite easy. Should only take 20-30 minutes to do the replacement. This air duct here fell out as I was taking it out because it's not held in by anything, just friction. But take your hose off the throttle body, and you'll be replacing the PCV hose there. But there's just a couple of screws on the back. And plus on the bottom there's a friction fit right on the bottom there. You just yank that up and out, and you won't be using the original MAF sensor. So here is the Z28 ColdAir Intake, and it's got all the same connections. Pull that cable retainer off, and there's your other nut holding it in. The new hose isn't plastic, it's more of a rubber. It's pliable, a little bit more flexible. You get a new mass airflow sensor that sits in a different position. I thought about rotating it, bring it into the same position as the old one, but I think they had a plan here. I think they wanted to get the mass airflow sensor away from the radiator. But it still gets hot right there. But pretty simple install. Didn't really see any videos on YouTube that anybody had done the OEM Z28 replacement. Just as easy as all the other ones. Costs a little bit more money, but it's original equipment. There you go. And it looks good too.